How to go live on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can go live on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go live on TikTok, you can just try to open the TikTok application here. Once you open the TikTok application, right over here, first of all, come to your profile icon. Make sure that you have over 1,000 followers, because if you don't have 1,000 followers, you will not be able to go live. After you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can just tap the plus icon here, and now you can see upload camera templates, and if you want to go live, you'll also find a new section here known as live. Now let's just say that you have 1,000 followers already but still not being able to find that option. In that case, just try to switch to a business or professional account on TikTok and then see if that helps you. So tap the three lines option here, go to the creator tools option, and then make sure you actually enable creator account in order to enable that option. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically go live on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.